Currently, there's a lot of talk about the characteristics of vibrational energy of humans and their immediate impact on the creation of reality. What sort of characteristics is being dealt with? How to produce energy with a certain vibration characteristics? Which is it? The book 5 Treasures explains in detail the nature of the human energy system. An individual's emotional energy is dominant in the energy system. This kind of energy produced and beamed by human internal organs. According to Taoist philosophy, each organ is a transmitter energy of a certain frequency that people perceive as a variety of emotional states. The heart radiates love, compassion, respect. The kidney softness, wisdom, tenderness. The lungs, courage, generosity, etc. The organs have different functions and are made up by cells that have their vibration characteristics. The organ is not only an energy unit, which has a certain frequency, but is also a unit of consciousness. Consciousness is an integral part of human consciousness. According to Taoist tradition, each organ has its own soul. To change our life, to direct it in a positive direction, to get rid of the groovy patterns, stereotyped thinking, to call success, prosperity, joy and harmony into life, we need to change our vibrational characteristics. These characteristics are changed by means of vibration energy in different organs. Working with organs through meditation is an effective method that leads to the root of all problems. The book 5 Treasures describes in detail the methods of how to deal with internal organs. The book teaches how to meditate, how to control energy in the body. Being aware of the work with the organs helps to harmonize them at all levels. During the exercise, you learn to penetrate very deep level and link yourselves to the substance of an organ respectively into its soul. Awareness of the organs is very important. Basically, it's the only way to get rid of negative emotional energy that is stored in major organs and affects the physical and mental health. The book 5 Treasures explains how major yin organs correct one another mutually and according to them their corresponding yang organs. The book describes the classification of the particular organs in the body based on the Taoist theory of 5 elements, according to which a certain element, emotions, color, sound, planet, and others corresponds to an organ. The book 5 Treasures contains a set of unique symbols that embody the spirit of the individual elements, bodies, and emotions. Exercises described in the book are supported by a set of symbols. The symbols serve as an aid, such as activators, which will help you to link yourselves with the essence of the element to its color feature and synchronize them with the features of the corresponding organ. It enables you to establish a connection with positive emotions of the organs and start harmonizing healing process in each organ and in the entire organism. By observing and visualizing the symbols, you get quickly into a deep state of relaxation. You calm thinking, and you can maintain concentration. Symbols facilitate your work considerably and make it more enjoyable. They will allow you to engage the creative and aesthetic perception in the entire process. How to use the symbols? Symbols can be used outside of meditation and passive. They can be hung on a wall or placed in the home or in the office. It's advisable to place the pictures of symbols on the corresponding side of the world, where they will harmonize the environment in which they are located. A symbol corresponding to a particular organ captures the essence of the organ. It stands for its mental portrait. Therefore, observing the symbol will tune you up to information metrics of the organ. It will help you conceive the essence of the organ, feel its energy and vibratory characteristics. The symbol helps harmonize the organ according to an appropriate element and color. So if any organ is weakened, it is beneficial to place a symbol belonging to this organ in the room or on your desk and to look at it from time to time. It is known that water reacts to spoken word and catches even vibration of a written word or in images. So-called, it reads information and stores it in its memory. Using symbols can change the structure of water. Keep a glass of water standing on the picture with the symbol for a few hours. The water will read the information of the symbol in. For example, when preparing soup or tea to enhance renal impairment, you can prepare the water in advance by placing it on the symbol of the kidneys. If you have any other organ weakened, use the appropriate symbol of that organ. Place a glass of water on the symbol. Water reads information in, and you prepare a potion that will help harmonize the organ. Afterwards, water can be used for making tea, coffee, soup, or you can drink it as such. Symbols corresponding emotions will have the same effect on organs. Thus the symbol of love will strengthen the heart, the symbol of tenderness will support kidney, etc. Each body organ has a natural biorhythm that the energy circulation in the organism is subjected to. The energy circulation intensify changes in each of the main meridians within 2 hours during a 24-hour period. An organ associated with a certain meridian reaches an energy climax in the course of these 2 hours. For example, the activation time of the kidneys according to the biorhythmic cycle is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Thus you can charge water every 2 hours by means of a corresponding symbol and consume it prophylactically as well.